Shane, we live back for another video, and today we're gonna be doing something a little fun, a little different. Today I'm going to be making a beat in less than 5 minutes. Or I'm gonna try and make a beat within 5 minutes, and yeah, it should be fun. I do make my melodies pretty quickly, but when it comes to my drums, I take a very long time. But we'll see what happens. So if you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Tell them about the Oz Gang. You know the drill. Also, don't forget to leave comments on videos that you do in the future in the comment section below, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Alright, subscribe. It's not hard. Go ahead, subscribe, scroll down, do what you gotta do. But yeah, let's get into this video, man, and I'll sit on my computer. Peace. Alright, y'all, so we are back on my computer, and well, I got my 5-minute timer right here. And I got my sounds ready to go. So without further ado, let's get this thing going. So let me face this thing real quick. It's alright. So yeah, let me start. I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1, and I'm gonna go. All right, let's get this started. Let's bring this up. Oh, snap. Let's turn that down. Turn this up. Well, I'm stuck with this, so I cannot waste any more time. Alright, we're gonna make like a very up-tempo type beat. Alright, don't worry, y'all. It's gonna sound nice. I already have gross beats set up. Let me add that other one. What's it called? Come on, I feel like I'm wasting so much time right now. Damn, I have 1 minute left. stretch this out real quick. Damn it, I'm wasting so much time quantizing. Oh snap. Oh my god. Oh, and I guess time's up now, I guess. I mean, damn, well, I mean, I guess you guys heard it. Yeah, here's the beat. Matter of fact, I'm gonna fix it up a little bit, add some more stuff. I know this is cheating, but I'm just gonna mix it a little bit and then I'll play the, you know what I'm saying? Don't worry, I got you. Don't worry, I got it. Alright. Oh snap. Wait a minute. Hold up. Alright, y'all. So I just mixed it a little bit, alright? I didn't do anything. Alright, I just mixed the beat a little bit, you know, just added some fruit wave shape, fruity limiter, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit, some effects. That's all I did. I didn't change anything. Well, maybe just a few hi-hat notes, but that's it, alright? Nothing else. Alright, I didn't change anything else. Alright. Beat's done, 5-minute beat's done, and here's what it sounds like. It's just super simple. It's just I think that's a vibe. Honestly, I think that's a vibe. But yeah, there's my beat. Made it in 5 minutes. Very simple. But yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to leave comments on videos that you do in the future, man. I need some suggestions. I'm running out of ideas, guys. Come on, help me out here. Let me know what I should do. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. What are you doing? Subscribe. What the hell? Subscribe. Stop. But yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.